Best deals. All these cleaning accessories are constructed from sturdy and durable materials. This mop and brush is designed to withstand regular usage and last for a longer time. It is a cost-effective investment for your home cleaning needs. It won't occupy much space in your cleaning storage area, providing you with reliable cleaning solutions you can trust. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Spin Bucket Mop. The mop head is made from high-quality microfiber material, known for its excellent cleaning and absorbing capabilities. It efficiently picks up dust, dirt, and grime, leaving your floors spotless and shiny. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cleaning Brush. Effortlessly tackle dirt, grime, and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete with this versatile floor scrub brush. Designed for all your indoor and outdoor cleaning needs, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Vacuum Cleaner. The motorized multi-flow rolling brush effectively works on hard floor or carpet to remove dry embedded dust, pet hair or food crumbs. Flexible head which can be moved up to 270 degrees for easy maneuverability. The filter traps 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Telescopic Metal Rake. Smooth handle helps easy adjustment of garden rake head in seconds and makes long-time gardening an enjoyable experience. The tight lock switch keeps rake head fixed in any width. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Floor Broom. Specially flagged bristles to clean even the most minute dust and dirt particle from the floor and ceiling. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Flat Mop. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision, helps to keep your home clean and tidy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dustpan and Broom Set. Designed for optimal performance, this broom with dustpan set is perfect for sweeping and collecting dust, dirt, and debris from floors in kitchens, homes, schools, lobbies, and hospitals. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaning Brush. The handle and brush head of the scrub brush can be rotated 180 degrees to be used in various cleaning scenarios, and there are 3 lockable angles between the brush head and the handle angle, of which the 45 degrees angle lock can make cleaning floors and bathtubs more labor-saving and easier. The hard bristle brush is suitable for stubborn dirt cleaning on floor tiles, and the sponge head has super absorption capacity. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cleaning Brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Whether it's stubborn grass, soil, sands, snow, or leaves that tend to stick to the ground, this broom tackles them all. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Microfiber Flat Mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. 360-degree rotating head, can be easily moved in different directions as per user's convenience, comes with scraper to easily clean the mop head. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ceiling Fan Duster. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. No more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas, excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Keep your floors dust free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface as possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Triangle cleaning mop. Perfect for a variety of tasks, including acting as a fan cleaning brush and a wall cleaner. The innovative triangle mop design allows you to reach corners. Equipped with a long handle, our ceiling cleaning brush is ideal for dusting and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The extendable cleaning duster makes it convenient to maintain. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Flat microfiber mop. Versatile and suitable for cleaning a range of hard floor types, including tile, wood, laminate, and resin. This adaptability makes it a practical choice for various surfaces, providing scratch-free cleaning that meets different cleaning needs. Also, it can be hung on the wall. This feature helps save space and keeps the mop easily accessible for future use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Vacuum and wet dry mop. Comes with a soft dusting brush and crevice tool, which can be with the long vacuum shaft and combined into 6 cleaning methods. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Glass wiper. Microfiber cloth for removing stubborn stains and chenille cloth for extremely absorbent and quick cleaning of window surfaces. Both are removable and washable, and the Velcro design of the cleaning cloth makes installation and removal easy. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Mop. Will not scratch the floors, is safe for all floor surfaces, such as wood, laminate, tiles, marble, ceramic floors, composite floors and even ceilings. The handle of this cleaning mop is made of stainless steel, which is very durable. The long handle design allows you to say goodbye to the back pain caused by bending over. Mop pads are washable and reusable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tiles cleaning brush. Rotating crevice cleaning brush is designed to effectively remove dust, dirt and debris from small cracks and tight spaces. The ultra-fine bristles are strong yet flexible. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Window cleaning squeegee. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Microfiber spray mop. Head is reusable, machine washable. Best for brooming and mopping floor, window, wall. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Window cleaner. Magnetic window cleaning set is made of high-quality ABS material and natural latex, magnet, providing strong magnetic force, with built-in water storage sponge to clean the glass. The magnet is not easy to demagnetize and the inside cleaning cotton is replaceable, durable window cleaning tool. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Spin mop. Buckets are perfect for storage as they fit into each other and have a carry handle for quick movement. Twin Easy Bucket Spin Mop system keeps the clean and dirty water compartments separate and gives you clean mop head every time. Product link is given in the 21st link.